Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a crazy ass mess right now, and that's because I have some pieces of aloe vera on my skin. Sister-in-law and her hubby moved out last week and I finally get my room back. So I'm basically sanitizing, dusting, cleaning, doing all that stuff, and I thought I'd just film it so you guys can kind of see the transformation. My room looks really empty right now. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. Are you excited to get your living room back? Yes! She wants me out of her living room.
You sleep already now?
Huh? No, not yet. I'm just wiping the tables. This is the second day of me cleaning. I couldn't clean everything yesterday because my husband got back from work and then we ended up having dinner. I wasn't in the mood to clean anymore, so bring everything in here and I'll have my studio back. Yay! Let's go. Let's put our gloves on. Gloves. Need some tunes. Let's head on out. The madness. Everything is basically everywhere. It's insane. So we're going to organize all this and we're going to do it together. slowly inhabiting this room again. I'm back in my studio. It feels so good. I literally just got out of the shower. My studio, we are back in service, baby. So I am going to be doing a giveaway soon. I have a whole bunch of stuff in there that I will be giving away, so stay tuned for another giveaway. Stay up to date so you guys can kind of see when I'll be having this giveaway and what I will be giving away. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know this was really random, but I've been stuck at the house, and if you guys are wondering what I've been up to, what I've been doing, this is basically what I've been doing, is moving my stuff out of the living room and back in here, and I love it. I love it. Yay! Thumbs up if you guys liked this video. Let me know how you guys are holding up with this whole pandemic going on around the world. For those who are affected, I am sending you so much love, so many hugs and prayers to you and your family. This is a very crazy time right now. It's like out of a movie, but we will get through it. Stay safe. I love you guys, and I'm actually about to film a hair tutorial because I got out of the shower. So, you know, I just want to film since there really isn't much to do at home, and my in-laws are home, so they're just spending tons of time with Armand while they get a chance. And yeah, I'm just gonna film, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be a hair tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.